Hi everyone, my name is Naraza Maharani Siregar. I'm BBA program batch 2025. Have you ever wondered how company knows whether it's making profit or losing money? Well, the answer lies in one powerful word: accounting. Yep, accounting, the language of business used all around the world. So, what exactly is accounting? In simple terms, accounting is an information system that record, measure, and report financial activities so manager, investor, and even the government can make smart decisions. There are four main types of accounting information. First, operating information, daily data like cash, stock, or working hours. Second, financial information, report for external users like investor. Third, management information, for internal planning and decision making. Last, tax information, used to prepare tax report. Function in management accounting. First, planning, setting goals, analyzing alternatives, and creating budget to achieve business objective. Second, implementation, acting according to plans and managing people and resources effectively. Last is control, monitoring and evaluating performance using accounting data to ensure goals are met. Next is financial statement. The three main financial reports are: first, balance sheet, statement of financial position, show a company financial position at a specific time using the equation asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Second is income statement, shows a business performance over a period. Revenue minus expenses is equal to net income. Last is cash flow statement, tracks cash inflows and outflows during a certain period. Last is purpose of accounting. The main purpose are to help investor and managers make informed decisions, show financial performance, position and cash flow of a business, and build trust and transparency in financial reporting. Let's move to our first key report, the balance sheet, also known as the statement of financial position. This report shows a company's financial status at a specific point in time. The formula is super simple. Asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Assets are what the company owns, liabilities are what it owes, and equity is what belongs to the owners after debt are paid. The balance sheet helps us understand how strong or stable a company's financial position really is. Next is basic accounting concept. First, money measurement, only record transactions that can be measured in money. Second, entity, the business is separate from its owner. Third, going concern, the business is assumed to continue operating indefinitely. Fourth, cost, assets are recorded at their purchase cost. Fifth, dual aspect, every transaction affects at least two accounts, debit and credit. 6. Accounting period. Financial reports are prepared for a specific time period. Next is conservatism. Record possible losses but do not record profit until realized. And next is realization. Revenue is recognized only when it actually earned. Next is matching. Expenses are recorded in the same period as the revenue they generate. Next is consistency. Use the same accounting method from period to period. And last is materiality. Focus on information that significantly affect user decision. Next, let's talk about the income statement, also called the profit and loss statement. If the balance sheet shows position, the income statement tells the story. How much the company earned and spent during a certain period. The formula is simple. Revenue minus expenses equals net income. From this, we can see whether the business really made a profit or suffered a loss. Part of the income statement. First, heading. Show the company name, type of statement, and the time period. Second, revenue. Income earned from main business activities. Third, cost of goods sold. Cost of producing or purchasing goods sold. Fourth is gross margin, net sales minus cost of goods sold, show how much profit the company makes before operating expenses. 5. Operating expenses, cost for running the business like salaries, rent, utilities, and marketing. 6. Operating income, Profit from main operation before interest and taxes measures business performance. 7. Interest expenses, cost of borrowed money or loans. 8. Earning before taxes, profit after subtracting interest but before tax. 8. Income tax expenses, tax owed on the company's income. And the last is 10. Net income, the final profit after all expenses and taxes, the bottom line. Now let's talk about real money movement, the cash flow statement. This report shows where the cash comes from and where it goes. There are three main activities in the cash flow. First, operating activities, the core business action like sales, salaries, and tax. Second, investing activities, buying or selling long-term assets like land or equipment. Last is financing activities, borrowing money, repaying loans, or paying dividends. There are also the statement of change in equity, which explain how owners' equity change over time through the net income, dividends, or new shares issued. Finally, let's see how all these numbers are actually recorded. This is called the accounting cycle. Step 1. Analyze transaction. Step 2. Recorded them in the journal. Step 3. Post to the ledger. Step 4. Make adjustment and close temporary account. And last step is prepare the financial statement. All of this use the debit and credit system. And yes, they always have to balance. Nowadays, software can do all of this automatically, fast, accurate, and efficient. But remember, profit doesn't always mean cash. Sometimes it's still tied up in things like receivable, not actually money in hand. So, in just 5 weeks, we've covered the fundamental of accounting, from what it is to the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, and even how the whole system works. And remember, guys, accounting isn't just about numbers, it's about the story behind the numbers. It tells us whether a business is healthy, growing, or in trouble. If you want to really understand how business works, start here. Learn accounting basics. Because once you understand accounting, you understand how money works.